కేఎఫ్సీకి వెళ్ళి బకెట్ ఆర్డర్ చేసుకొని వేడి వేడి చికెన్ అలా కెచప్లో నంచుకొని తింటూ ఉంటేనా తలుచుకుంటే నోట్లో నీళ్ళు వస్తున్నాయి కదా. కానీ ఏం చేద్దాం, ఇప్పుడు కేఎఫ్సీకి వెళ్దామంటే మా ఊళ్ళో కేఎఫ్సీ కూడా లేదే. సో దట్స్ వై లెట్స్ ట్రై టు రీక్రియేట్ కేఎఫ్సీ స్టైల్ చీజా. So hello idiots, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys having a great time. So today we are going to recreate KFC style cheese at home. So guys, if you are new to this channel, do hit the subscribe button. We are very close to reach 500 subs and I'm planning to do a giveaway once I reach the 500 subs. So do hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, if you are someone watching from the KFC, కొంచెం KFC పెట్టండి భయ్యా. ఇక్కడ నాలాంటి మంది ఎంతోమంది బిడ్డలు కరువులో ఉన్నారు. సో వితౌట్ ఎనీ డిలే లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ అవర్ వీడియో. So now let's break the recipe into two parts. First I will show you how to make fried chicken. After that I will show you how to make it cheese. So for the fried chicken guys, we have to marinate the chicken for at least 3 to 4 hours. So let's see the marination process. So for the marination process we need buttermilk. In this we're gonna add garlic powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, garam masala. So guys, I'm just desifying this thing with adding garam masala and salt. Now let's mix this. So now in this we're gonna add our boneless chicken. So our marination is ready. So now let's keep it in the refrigerator for at least 3 to 4 hours guys. So by doing this it will help the chicken to become tender. So let's keep it in the freezer. Our chicken is marinated. So now we're gonna make the seasoned flour. For the seasoned flour we need maida. So in this maida we're gonna add all the ingredients we used for the marination. Along with that I'm gonna add black pepper powder. So I'm adding black pepper powder, salt, red chili powder, garlic powder. Guys, if you got onion powder you can also add that, or if you have cumin powder you can also add that, coriander powder. Now let's mix this. So guys, this is our seasoned flour, it's ready. So now all we have to do is take the chicken, dip it in the flour like this. So apply the flour evenly to every part of the chicken. See, like this. Now keep it aside. Repeat the process. So that's it guys. Now our first coating is done. Now I will show you the second coating. Guys, for the second coating we need 2 eggs. Break the eggs. In this add black pepper powder, salt. If you want you can also add our same those spices guys. I'm not adding it. Mix it well. So now take the chicken, dip it in the egg mixture and dip it in the flour like this. So guys, can you see the texture? It's perfect, right? So now repeat the same process for every piece. Switch on the gas stove. And add oil for the deep frying. So now our oil is ready. In this, add our chicken pieces one by one. Guys, on the medium flame, let it fry for at least 6 to 7 minutes. Guys, just look at that, our chicken is perfectly done. So let's keep it aside. Guys, our fried chicken is now done. Let me show you. So let's quickly do a taste test. Can you see it, guys? It's perfectly cooked. కొంచెం సాల్ట్ తక్కువైంది, थोड़ा सा salt कम हुआ. Other than that, it's perfectly cooked. You can see the crust is so crunchy and chicken is also so juicy, guys. See that? So now I will show you how to make pizza. So in pizza, instead of pizza base, we're gonna use chicken. So first let's quickly make the pizza sauce. So for pizza sauce, we need ketchup. In this, we're gonna add salt, garlic powder, red chili powder, and mix it well. So guys, our pizza sauce is now ready. So next step is apply the pizza sauce on the chicken like this. So on that we can use any toppings, guys. Like if you have bell peppers, you can use it. I am using onions and tomatoes. And cover it with the cheese slice, guys. So if you have microwave with you, you can microwave this thing for at least 2 minutes. If you don't have microwave, I will show you how to do it on a pan. Now take a pan, switch on the gas stove. In this, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Our butter is melted down. In this, add the chicken. But on the low flame, cover it and cook it for at least 1 minute. Guys, our cheese has melted down perfectly. So let's switch off the gas stove. Let me show you a close up. So that's it guys, our cheese is perfectly done. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do comment down below, and you definitely try this at home. And do let me know in the comment sections guys, and also do follow me on Instagram. So meet you in my next video.